Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix could not add card. Try again later or contact your card issuer for more information. For example, if you want to add a card into your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply do the same as described in there, and that you have to simply contact your issuer. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether you have the latest iOS update or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS update. And after checking for the latest iOS update, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether your device is compatible with your Apple Wallet or not. For this, you have to simply go to your Apple ID and you have to simply check for your device and payment methods. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check your network connection, and you have to also check network outages in Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. And you have to check whether the problem is occurring to you or it is globally problem occurring. If the problem is to you, then you can simply contact Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check your Wi-Fi connection if you are connected to it. And the next thing you have to do, you have to click on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network settings, you can again check for the problem, whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple support for the solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.